Hey, deserving listeners, this is a trailer for a member-exclusive video in which I watch couples therapy. My name is Dr. Kirk Honda. I'm a therapist and a professor. Let's watch.
I'm questioning Sean's movements. Who he's talking to, emails, phone conversations, and I don't know.
And this is in reference to Sean's infidelity?
Yes.
In this episode, Erica is talking about how she is being triggered regarding the infidelity, and she's talking about it in an obscure way, and Orna is clarifying that effectively.
Myself thinking, where is he at? Did he stop off somewhere? Is he meeting up with someone else? Stuff like that just, for some reason, I know you're like rolling your eyes, I'm sure.
I'm not rolling my eyes. I'm listening because I understand what triggers it, and I get that I earned this treatment.
Okay, so maybe he has a but here. I'm guessing he does, but that's great. That's, at least in the edit, the first time he's ever acknowledged that it's rational that she would feel that way. At least that's the way it sounds to me.
With my past behavior, but I'm like, babe, my location settings are on. If you want to check my fitness track.
Before we talk about possible solutions, you were saying, I recognize why you'd feel this way.
Yeah, excellent. That's what I would do as well. Whenever in couple therapy there's a success, especially something like this, we're only seeing snippets, but it looks in the edit like that's the first time he's ever admitted that she is understandable for having those feelings. The first number of sessions, he was just like all of the excuses and the smoke screens, just ridiculous things that he was saying. And so when you hear something that is a success, you want to highlight it for a number of reasons. One, you want to reward him as saying, whoa, nice. And then that encourages him to do it again. Also, you want to highlight it for her benefit so she can really absorb it. Also, you want to highlight how this is what I've been talking about. This is what's going to help, And there's no danger to saying that. He probably thought subconsciously there's some sort of danger in even contemplating that he had made a mistake. So this is good that she's concentrating on it.
Yeah, I get it. I earned this scrutiny. And if it's going to take me 6 months, 6 years, 6 lifetimes to prove to you that I'm trustworthy, I will continue to hold myself accountable. But I don't want to keep talking about it because it hurts.
Awesome. I mean, you're going to end up talking about it, buddy. But you didn't say it's because she's angry or anything. You just said it hurts. He's about to cry. So, yeah, great. Yeah. So interesting that Orna was about to terminate with them and then went to her consultation group who convinced her to have empathy and have hope and perhaps stop hammering on this one issue with him and give it some time, and he came around. This is great. This is fantastic. He is saying, yes, I totally understand that she would have these feelings. It's valid. And if it takes 6 weeks or 6 years, I'm okay with that. But I don't want to talk about the details because it hurts. Hallelujah. Yes, it hurts. And we can be with you through that pain. It's okay that it hurts. And does it hurt in an intolerable way? Does it touch upon some other kind of shame that you have or worry about abandonment or something? So this is fantastic. And shows that he's capable of this. In the first few sessions, you would say, no way, he's never going to be capable of this. But he is. He was in early therapy, very early therapy. He was testing the waters. He was not yet acclimated to the situation. He was particularly triggered or worried or something. And here he is. So this is good. I mean, there's still some issues here, but, this is much better.
Say something about how it hurts.
I hurt my wife thinking that I had a pass. It almost cost me my family.
Mm-hmm.
It's a painful topic to talk about, and we keep going back to it. And it's like, you trying to put a dagger back in my chest? Are you trying to put me on edge about it again?
But how am I putting you on edge about something you did?
So underneath all of this is likely his desire to be loved and accepted and good enough. And it's rational for someone in his shoes to connect those things. They're not connected. All right, well, that's the end of the free version of this episode. If you want to see the full episode, become a member. Otherwise, please take care of yourself because you deserve it. You really, really do.